Hello, you are welcome to Madalla TV. If it happens that this is your first visit to this channel of ours, I urge you to go under this video and press the red subscription button so that we will have our channel be subscribed by you in order to keep on getting related videos like this immediately after we post it. Okay, as you have seen in the title of this video, today we are going to teach you on how to remove black bars from your thumbnail pictures of the YouTube posted video. Follow us. Okay, initially you need to go to App Store or Play Store in order to download and install an app known as PixArt. After you have installed the app, then you should press it like this. Then you should go and look for the picture that you would like to edit and use it as your thumbnail picture in the video you are going to post on your YouTube channel. So let us choose a picture here. As you can see, I have chosen this picture. If you choose your picture of choice and then click on it, then these buttons will appear. You should then press tools. Immediately after you press the tools, there are other sub buttons. Then you should press crop. Okay, here are different size of pictures that you would like your edited to be photos should be. So here we should choose the one with 16:9. Okay, as you can see, immediately after I pressed the one with 16:9, the picture has reduced. It was reduced in a way that will fit for YouTube. Therefore, it will contain no any black bars since it is fit for YouTube. You should then click this tick to choose it. So now you can move forward to keep on editing the picture in a way that it will suit your opinion or your viewers. After you have finished the editing, you can then use it as your YouTube thumbnail photo that carries no any black bars. I hope you enjoy this video. if I am positive. Before you leave the channel, try and go under this video and press the subscription button so that you will get alert immediately I release or when I post a new video, whether related to this topic or it is of different topic. Thanks.